Hello Botswana, hello YouTubers, IMTA and the world. My name is Lebogang Motubudi and I am an actor. I have wanted to be an actor for as long as I can remember. In fact, thank God it was before the days of YouTube, but I've got a very embarrassing video when I was 10 years old and professing in, I might admit, the most campus manner, just how amazing an actor I was going to be one day. Well, you guys will have to be the judge of that. Last week, I auditioned for Gemvote, and I did a dramatic piece. It was a bit edgy, and this time I'm going to be doing something comedic, just to show the different shades of what I am capable of doing. Thank you for everybody that's watched my videos and has shared and commented. Please also watch this new video. Like it, comment, share it. You know how it works, guys. The piece I'll be preparing today is by a lady called Les Marcotte. And it's basically, I chose it because there's a lot of similarities, ironically so, between the character Vic, who's got this friend in LA, you know, and he's got this whole brainchild scheme of how he's gonna make it. Very comedic, very funny. I am serious about getting to LA, so don't get it twisted. But I just enjoy the similarities because I too have a friend in LA, IMTA. So here goes, guys. I got a friend in LA, and he owes me a favor. I took a bullet for him one time. He had these guys that he owed money to, and they were chasing him down an alley. Hell, I was just tagging along. I didn't know what was going down. So these guys start shooting, and they miss my friend and get me in the shoulder. Look at that scar. Hey? It's a beaut, ain't it? Yeah, I know. This whole time you thought it was a birthmark. Well, this guy told me that if ever I need a favor, to just ask. Well, I mean, I kind of sort of saved the guy's life, you know. So, this guy has actually got an uncle in the movie business. A producer, baby! Booyah! So, I'm gonna run my screenplay past him. And I just know he's gonna love it. It's got everything that Hollywood loves. It's got the car chases, it's got drugs, raw, unbridled sex with a heavy emphasis on unbridled. Oh, and you, my baby, you are gonna be my femme fatale. All those years of acting classes are gonna finally pay off. And you know what? Before we can actually start, we need to surround ourselves, baby, with all of the accoutrements of major Hollywood players. We gotta get us some clothes from Rodeo Drive. Or maybe just the closest thrift store. Shades, gotta have shades. Maybe a small dog. And a cell phone. Oh, honey, you ain't nothing without a cell phone. And we gotta lose the car, baby. Who's gonna take us seriously driving a 1990 Oldsmobile with Kentucky plates? Image is everything, baby. Everything. And we gotta get us an entourage, you know? Some hangers on. I got my cousin, Leon. He's in LA. He's currently unemployed. We could give him some beer and cigarette money. He can be a hanger-on and gopher. But you gotta watch him, baby. He's a little loopy. You know, he had a head injury a couple years back. Talking about money, baby, how much you got? $5? Oh, hell no. Well, that might be a problem. Yeah, shoot. That might be a problem. And scene. So, guys, if you like that, that is my comedic piece of the week. I'm going to do more and more. But please, get onto Gemvote, get onto Facebook, and vote for me. Lebogang Motubudi. Don't forget that name.